Electrotherapy, and Tesla, has long been a technology underutilized in public health, despite its potential for improving well-being. Tesla's early work demonstrated the incredible possibilities of using electricity to heal the human body, yet, as history progressed, the commercialization of electrotherapy became a tightly held monopoly, with some companies offering expensive devices that place this powerful healing method out of reach for the average person. In today's world, electrotherapy equipment comes at a high price, often marketed under claims of cutting-edge technology. Unfortunately, this price barrier keeps many from accessing these health benefits, leaving the field largely monopolized by a few manufacturers. Worse yet, these companies may be influenced by those who control the global narrative, leaving open the possibility that such devices are sold with limited quality, dubious efficacy, and even potential health risks. This essay introduces 4 essential electronic circuits for designing your own electrotherapy devices at a fraction of the cost. By learning how to assemble components and following a simple electronic circuit diagram, anyone can harness the healing potential of electrotherapy without succumbing to the monopoly of overpriced and potentially compromised devices on the market. 1. Transcranial Random Noise Stimulation, TRNS, Circuit. Transcranial Random Noise Stimulation, TRNS, is a type of electrotherapy that applies a random electrical current to the scalp to stimulate brain activity. Research suggests that TRNS can enhance cognitive performance, improve learning, and even aid in neurorehabilitation following brain injuries. The circuit for TRNS is relatively simple and can be created using basic electronic components. A TRNS circuit operates by delivering low-intensity alternating currents to the brain. These currents are random and non-periodic, which prevents the brain from adapting to the stimulation, thereby maintaining a beneficial therapeutic effect. The components needed for this circuit include a signal generator, resistors, capacitors, and electrodes that connect to the scalp. This low-cost design can help those suffering from cognitive decline or brain injury without relying on expensive clinical treatments. 2. Sleeping insomnia and sleep disorders affect millions of people worldwide, and many turn to medication for relief. However, electrotherapy offers a non-invasive and drug-free solution. The sleeping aid circuit is designed to promote relaxation and induce sleep by emitting low-frequency electrical pulses that calm the nervous system. This circuit generates a gentle, rhythmic electrical signal, typically between 0.5 to 3 Hz, which mimics the brain's natural slow-wave sleep patterns. As a result, the body begins to relax, the mind quiets, and sleep becomes easier to achieve. The basic components required for this circuit include a low-frequency oscillator, an amplifier, and skin electrodes. By placing the electrodes on the temples, the gentle stimulation encourages the brain to slow down and enter sleep naturally, without the need for pharmaceuticals. 3. Electronic Bio-Stimulation circuit. Acupuncture has been used for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, to restore balance and treat various ailments. Modern electroacupuncture takes this principle a step further by incorporating electrical stimulation to enhance the effects of traditional acupuncture. The electronic acupuncture circuit, biostimulation circuit, is an accessible way to create your own electroacupuncture device at home. This circuit uses a simple pulse generator to create small electrical pulses that stimulate acupuncture points on the body. Components include a pulse generator, such as a 555 timer IC, resistors, capacitors, and electrodes or needles for direct application to the acupuncture points. The gentle electrical stimulation enhances blood flow, promotes energy chi movement, and can help with pain relief, muscle relaxation, and overall wellness. With basic electronic knowledge, this circuit can be easily assembled and used to complement traditional acupuncture techniques, offering a safe, low-cost alternative to expensive clinic treatments. 4. Georges Lukovsky, a Russian engineer, developed an intriguing system of electrotherapy in the early 20th century that used high-frequency electromagnetic waves to stimulate cells and promote healing. His multi-wave oscillator, MWO, was based on the idea that cells in the human body resonate at specific frequencies, and when they become diseased, their resonance is disrupted. By applying electromagnetic waves, Lukovsky believed the cells could be retuned to their natural frequencies, thus restoring health. The Lukovsky system can be recreated using a circuit that generates high-frequency oscillations. The circuit consists of an oscillator, often a Tesla coil or a radio frequency generator, antennas, and grounding. The high-frequency waves emitted by the system are thought to stimulate cell regeneration, reduce inflammation, and enhance the immune system. While the original MWO is a complex machine, a basic version of Lukovsky's system can be built using readily available components. Technology monopoly and devices. The world of electrotherapy, like many other innovative health technologies, has become enshrouded in monopoly and hidden agendas. Companies that produce high-priced electrotherapy devices are often controlled by larger organizations with vested interests in maintaining the status quo of expensive healthcare solutions. If these companies are influenced by those who control the world's markets, it's plausible that their devices may be intentionally limited in quality or effectiveness, with potential negative side effects for users. In light of these concerns, it's essential not to rely solely on commercial devices. Many of the best electrotherapy tools can be built and optimized by individuals who take the initiative to research and experiment on their own. This DIY approach allows for greater control over the quality, safety, and efficacy of the treatments, while sidestepping the corporate influence that may compromise commercial products. Conclusion: empowering individuals through DIY electrotherapy. In today's health landscape, dominated by high-priced pharmaceuticals, medical monopolies, and hidden conspiracies, the best path forward for individual wellness is self-research and initiative. By building your own electrotherapy devices using simple circuits like TRNS, sleeping aid stimulators, Bio-Stimulation acupuncture, and the Lakhovsky system, you can enhance your health without relying on expensive or potentially compromised devices. These circuits represent just the first step in a larger movement toward individual empowerment in health technology. With further research and innovation, more people can break free from the limitations imposed by monopolistic companies and take charge of their well-being. In a world where health, technology, and power are often intertwined, self-reliance is the key to unlocking the true potential of electrotherapy for health and healing. The Ultimate Energizer Guide. This technology is essentially an improvement on the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, resulting in a unique version. The deep origin of the Ultimate Energizer generator traces back to Nikola Tesla's innovations. Tesla's invention of the bifilar coil and regulator for dynamo electrical machines is documented in the complete Ultimate Energizer Guide. The Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, although capable of producing output energy greater than input energy, are primarily intended for free energy researchers. Those who demonstrate these circuits often do not share the secrets of generating electricity to power household appliances. The complete Ultimate Energizer Guide reveals the secrets of generating electricity using electronic components and coils, with power output depending on the system's expansion. This sets it apart from the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit, which are commonly shared online. Moreover, the circuit described in the Ultimate Energizer Guide is unique and distinct from the Joule Thief circuit and Don Smith's circuit. The complete Ultimate Energizer Guide also includes many other instructions and hidden technologies that have been concealed for many years. This digital document is worthy of study and practical application. I recommend reading more reviews of the complete Ultimate Energizer Guide on my Ultimate Energizer Guide blog. Also, check out additional instructions for generating free electricity at home. Good luck!